a really exciting last 4 years as we've seen the Rolls Royce SMR business go from strength to strength, enabled and ably supported by UKRI, by the funding they provide, by the challenge they bring and the rigour they bring to our programme.
The secret sauce and the major technology achievement really of small modular reactors is the ability to shift the work in building the power station from a site location to a factory location. So it's really enabling building hours to be put into the plant in a controlled environment.
Because they are small, they can be deployed in many areas across the UK, in old industrial sites or in new sites. And this really allows us to give economic impact into specific regions, because it's not just the SMR, it creates a supply chain that spreads across the entire country.
What's really important to recognise is we're not just developing a low carbon technology here, we are also developing an economic proposition. And if we really want to hit net zero at pace in the timelines, we need to think about how we're going to drive economic value for the UK at the same time as decarbonising.
The LCN work has enabled the UK to find a stronger position as a player on the world market in nuclear. We have a domestic product being developed. It can and will be exported to international markets. We have a huge interest from customers and actually from regulators as well. We've had 5 regulators from Sweden, Poland, Finland and the Netherlands and the Czech Republic observing the GDA. We can play a huge part in achieving net zero going forward.
The project was complex and it was uncertain, and it's a significant public investment. So for the department, it was necessary to ensure that sufficient controls and sufficient management processes are in place to ensure that we get maximum benefit for the public money invested. And I'm pleased to say that has delivered all those objectives.
Part of the ambition of UKRI was to attract third-party investment. We've just done that, bringing Ches in as a 20% shareholder. And so, yeah, a really kind of pivotal point for the organisation.
The role of government and UKRI has been critical in this project, because it's provided that all-important government sponsorship of what we're trying to achieve. Sponsorship is important because it gives confidence to the partners we've tried to bring to the programme, and it also gives confidence to future customers as we develop through this journey. So the future of this business is rosy. We've already got lots of prospects, but I do see us as transforming the way nuclear is done and playing an importantly key role in the decarbonisation of energy across certainly Europe and other parts of the world.